Everybody, it's Jane Johnson. Thank you for joining me. I'm so glad you're here. And I would love to speak with you today about these three concepts. There's actually five concepts up there. One are little squiggly lines, and I'll explain those too. So I'm talking about clearing, and first of all, the idea of repair. And that means something's wrong. Person's upset about something, they have challenges, problems, issues, they're upset and distraught, and we need to fix those. That's called repair, fixing what's not working right. And then the second one is maintain. That's a whole other thing. That's called or described as things are going pretty well, let's keep that going. Yeah, that's what we want there. And then expand, which means growing, evolving, making progress in life so that you're always moving in an upward spiral. That's what I call it. And that's what this is to represent, upward spiral. What is that on top? That is a roller coaster. Well, my um, remedial drawing of a roller coaster. That was my life before clearing up and down, up and down. I thought that well, I didn't even think it. I was not conscious. I assumed it was just like ground zero was life is a roller coaster. And then you just make the best of it and you do the best you can and you solve problems when you can and you put up with and tolerate. I mean, I had so many attitudes that were keeping me locked in the same place because I didn't know there was anything else until I got into clearing. After 12 years of other personal development work, I finally got into clearing in 1983. And for me, that was the thing that worked the best for me. And that's why I'm still doing it to this day. But I wanted to show you all three because so many people think that clearing is a matter of repair. That's what it's for, and that's the end of it. And it's partly what it's for, but you can also use clearing to maintain what's going well. And you can also have clearing sessions and use them for expansion. Countless times that I've experienced that with clients. And I actually have four clients that I've known so many years. One of them I met in 2002, but all of them I've known at least 15 years and they work with me. I don't mean I've just known them, they still work with me all this time. Well, have they had all these horrible problems all this time? No, no. We repaired together as teamwork. We repaired the problems together, and then they just enjoy the process of maintaining and expanding. So that's why they continue to work with me. So, whatever a person's wants and needs are, any one of those three or all three, I am happy to help. I love working with people and helping them in those three general ways. So, thanks for letting me share. I appreciate that so much. I hope you put your comments in the box below because we all benefit from what other people share. So thank you. I send you my love and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.